If your GoDaddy website is not updating after you make changes, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and it's usually easy to fix. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how to fix a GoDaddy website that's not updating, not syncing, or still showing old content after you hit publish. We'll cover saving issues, republishing, clearing cache, and even browser problems so you can get your live site updated fast. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss an important step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple website fixes. Let's jump right in. First, you need to sign into your GoDaddy account. Go to GoDaddy.com and log into the account that manages your website. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner and click on your username. From the drop-down menu, select My Products. This will show you all the domains, hosting plans, and websites connected to your account. Make sure you are inside the correct account, especially if you manage multiple websites for different clients or businesses. Next, choose the website you are editing. Under your products list, find the website that isn't updating. Click on Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor. Make sure you are editing the correct site and not a duplicate version or staging site. Sometimes people accidentally update the wrong website, which is why their live site never changes. Now, let's make sure your changes were actually saved. Inside the editor, look at the top right corner. If you see a Save button, click it. Some parts of GoDaddy autosave changes, but not always, and it's always best to manually click Save just to be safe. If you close the editor or switch pages too quickly, your updates might not register properly. After clicking Save, wait a few seconds to ensure everything processes correctly before moving on. The next step is extremely important. You need to publish the website again. Even if you already published earlier, click the Publish button in the top right corner one more time. When you click Publish, GoDaddy syncs your changes to the live server. Wait at least 5 to 10 seconds for the publishing process to complete. Once it says your site is published, open your live website in a new tab and refresh the page. In many cases, simply republishing fixes the issue immediately. If your website is still not updating, the next thing to check is cache. Sometimes the problem isn't your website, it's cached data. Inside the website editor, go to Settings. From there, select Site History. In this section, look for the option that says Clear Cache and click it. Clearing the cache forces GoDaddy to refresh the stored version of your site. After clearing the cache, publish the website again just to be safe. Then refresh your live page. If you're still seeing the old version of your website, try using a different browser. Open your site in Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Sometimes your browser stores an older version of the page, especially if you visited it frequently. You can also try opening the website in an incognito or private browsing window to see the most recent version without stored data interfering. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix a GoDaddy website that is not updating. Log in and confirm you're editing the right site. Manually save your changes, republish the website, clear the cache, and test in another browser. One of these steps almost always solves the issue. If this video helped you fix your website, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.